Step 1. Know the gamble right. First off, you gotta know what you're getting into. We ain't talking about pushing just any knockoffs, this is about quality replicas, the kind that even a seasoned sneakerhead or streetwear fanatic might mistake for the real deal. The game's all about one-to-one quality, and that's where you shine. You ain't just hustling, you're moving product that passes all the legit checks. Step 2. Secure your plug. The foundation of this hustle is your supplier, or as we call it in the streets, your plug. You need to be connected with the right people who can get you those high-quality one-to-one replicas. And trust me, they're out there. The crown jewel of your collection? The Sp5der hoodie. This ain't no cheap knockoff, it's so clean, it's gonna have folks doubting their own eyes. From the stitching to the tags, everything is on point. It's the piece that's gonna make you money. Step 3. Master the flex. Know that you got the product. It's time to flex. Marketing is key, perception is everything. You need to present these hoodies like they're straight off the runway. High-quality pics, detailed descriptions, and a story that sells the dream. If you're moving on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even a low-key Shopify store, your presentation needs to be fire. Make people feel like they're getting a steal when they buy from you. And always remember, the Sp5der hoodie is your main flex. Step 4. Build the bazaar. You gotta build hype before you even drop. Think of it like the hottest mixtape of the summer. You tease it, you hype it, and then you drop it like a bomb. Start by dropping hints, sneak peeks, and behind-the-scenes looks at the product. Create demand before the product even hits the streets. Word of mouth is powerful, so let the streets talk. The more anticipation you build, the quicker these hoodies are gonna fly off your shelf. Step 5. Sell smart. Not hard when it's go time. You need to sell smart. Be clear with your pricing, and know your margins. These Sp5der hoodies, for example, are going for a price that's gonna make people think twice. They know they're getting something special, but you're also keeping it within a range that makes them feel like they're winning. Play the numbers game, don't overstock, keep it exclusive. Supply and demand, baby. Step 6. Keep it low-key. This hustle is all about finesse. You're not out here blasting to the world that you're selling replicas. Keep it subtle, and always remember, under-promise and over-deliver. Your customers should feel like they're getting VIP treatment, and that means you need to keep things smooth and professional. Handle your business with care, and always make sure your product speaks for itself. Stay ahead of the competition by constantly upgrading your inventory. And if you can, keep some profits on the side for yourself. It's about building a future, not just living for today. Don't forget about Facebook and offer up to sell. Like, comment, and subscribe.